What is legally required on a food label in the UK? If you're planning to sell food products in the UK, getting your labels right isn't just good practice, it's the law. So, let's break this down in plain English. Every food label in the UK must include these essentials. By the way, welcome to Marketing Food Online UK. We talk about the business of food businesses. Subscribe, like and share. Okay, so food labeling. Name of the food, sounds obvious, but the product name must be clear and not misleading. Ingredients list, every single ingredient, listed in descending order by weight. Allergens, this is huge. The UK requires 14 specific allergens to be highlighted. The UK law is super specific on this. Allergens that must always be declared on food labels if they are present, no matter how small the amount. Here they are. Celery, including stalks, leaves, seeds, and celeriac. Cereals containing gluten, wheat, rye, barley, oats, spelt, kamut, and their hybrids. Crustaceans, prawns, crab, lobster, crayfish. Eggs, from any bird species. Fish, all species of fish. Lupin, both seeds and flour. Milk, including lactose. Mollusks, mussels, clams, oysters, squid, snails, etc. Mustard, mustard seeds, powder, liquid. Nuts, specifically almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, cashews, pecans, Brazil nuts, pistachios, macadamia nuts. Peanuts, different from nuts, tree nuts, and must be listed separately. Sesame seeds, whole or as oil or paste, like tahini. Soybeans, sometimes labeled as soya. Sulfur dioxide and sulfites, if at a concentration above 10 mg per kilogram or 10 mg per liter, often used in dried fruits, wines, and pickled foods. On labels, these allergens must be emphasized, usually in bold, capitals, or underlined, inside the ingredients list. Quantitative ingredient declaration, QID. If you're promoting a specific ingredient, like strawberry yogurt, you must state the percentage of strawberries in it. Net quantity, the weight or volume of the food, in metric units, grams, kilograms, milliliters, liters. Durability date, either a use-by date, for safety, or a best-before date, for quality. Storage conditions, how should customers keep it safe? Refrigerated, dry, sealed? That has to be on the label. Business name and address. The food business operator responsible must be traceable. Country of origin, required if not including it would mislead the customer, or for certain foods like beef, fish, honey, etc. Instructions for use. If preparation isn't obvious, you must tell the consumer how to cook, bake, or serve it safely. Nutrition information, mandatory for pre-packed food, energy, kcal, fat, saturates, carbs, sugars, protein, and salt, usually per 100 g 100 ml and sometimes per portion. Alcohol content, for drinks above 1.2% ABV, the percentage must be shown. In short, your food label is more than just a design, it's a legal contract with your customer, making sure they know exactly what they're eating and how to handle it safely. If you want more tips like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel Marketing Food Online UK, tons of free, practical food business advice is waiting for you. Question for you, do you think UK food labels are clear enough for consumers, or do they overwhelm people with too much information?